Hello everyone. Have you ever struggled to keep your audience engaged during presentation? What if I told you there is a simple trick to make your slides stand out? Let me show you how. Today we are diving into text marks effect game-changing technique that can transform your ordinary slides into captivating visual experience. Ready to learn? Let's get started. First, insert a rectangle shape and drag it to cover half the slide. Remove the outline and duplicate the shape. Add a text box. Type your title and format it with uppercase, bold font and increase font size. Align the text to the middle and shift it outside the slide. Duplicate the text box, align it and resize the rectangle to fit your design. Select the rectangle and text box. Go to Merge Shape and choose Subtract to create the marks effect. Repeat for the bottom rectangle and text box. Then fill the shape with your desired color. After that, select this, go to Animation, click on More Motion Path, apply the left motion path animation to the top shape. Set it to the with previous and adjust the duration. Use the animation pointer to apply the same effect to the lower shape. Insert a video from your device. Set it to play with previous and send it to the back. Now select both shapes. Click on Add Animation and apply Flyout Animation. And adjust the duration and delay for a seamless effect. Click on Slideshow to see your stunning text marks effect in action. And that's it. With text marks effect, you can instantly elevate your presentation, keep your audience hooked, and make your message unforgettable. Give it a try in your next presentation. If you enjoy this video, check out my next tutorial on advanced presentation technique. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or question. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.